Hello everyone. Welcome to our very first module, our very first week of the semester. So I'm on our module page, kind of looking down at the module from a bird's eye view, because I wanted to kind of explain that I will be opening each of these modules as we progress through the semester. And so this very first week, we're already going to be talking about our first writing assignment, because this first writing assignment is going to be due at the end of our second week. Now that's fast. And I will, as you can see, these are not all published yet, all of the weeks, but they are there. They are planned. If you want to look over at the syllabus, open it right here. I'm down here on our course schedule, and everything is all laid out right here. So there's no surprises. It's just I have found that students work better when it's not all published at the same time. That helps us all stay together. So this week, it's a little lighter week because we're kind of learning the ropes. We're learning, what Canvas is, how things are laid out. But again, like I said, we're already going to be talking about our first project. So I'm going to open right here. This is where I'll be placing this video. I will always have a little, kind of outline of the assignments due that week. And I will list the competencies and the outcomes that we'll be meeting through our weekly activities. So you have that right there. First thing we're going to be doing is just an icebreaker discussion board where we will introduce ourselves to one another. Okay? Read over this, and what you will do is you will just click on reply, and you will type up your introduction right here. Or else if you want to write it up somewhere else and then paste it, that's great. You will post your reply by clicking that button right there. I'm not going to do that though. And then that is due by Tuesday night, and I'm asking you to respond to at least 2 peers' posts by Thursday night. Get to know one another. If you find something in common, make that connection. Just get to know one another. This class, we're going to be working together, and so it helps to actually know one another. The next thing on here is an overview of our first writing project, which is going to be a literacy narrative personal essay. I'm not going to say a whole lot right now because I have this video where I explain it, but read over these assignment overviews, the instructions very carefully. Don't think or fall into that trap of thinking that all essays are exactly the same, that it's some kind of transactional, okay, the teacher will tell me what to write, I hand it to the teacher. Because as you progress in college and out there in the real world, it's really important to analyze and assess and meet each unique writing situation, each situation where you're called on to write. So take the time to analyze that situation so you can be most successful in that situation. So read over that. I love this project. It's a great project, and it's a good one to open up. Now, I won't do this every week, but this first week, I wanted to just place this reminder here to respond to those peers for that first discussion board, the introduction discussion board. Then we have a course and syllabus quiz. Now, this quiz is open book, open Canvas, open email. If you have a question, you want to email me for the answer, I will give you the answer. I'm asking you all to get 100% on this quiz because there are certain things about the syllabus and about the course that I want to make sure that you know. Okay, so you can take it as many times as you want. It will tell you what you got wrong, but I just want you all to get 100%. Okay, so that's coming up. That's not due until Saturday night. And then also, due Saturday night is this activity where we're going to start brainstorming our memories, our literacy memories, our memories of reading and writing, starting from when we were just children. It can go up until last week. And this is a great activity for just coming up with ideas and pushing yourself to think about new ideas. And we're going to use Coggle, which is this mapping app, which allows us, anytime you want to think outside the box or come up with new ideas, it's actually very helpful, and research supports this if you use different technologies to help you do that, even if it's a different type of a pen or pencil or laptop or anything like that. So we're going to be using Coggle to map out these ideas, these memories. And I have a video here where I explain it. I also have the Coggle tutorial right there. Coggle is free. You don't have to pay for anything. You just register with an email and it saves all your work. And so it's really great. It's kind of fun to work with. And so I'm asking you to map out as many as you can. You should have at least 10, at the very least, memories of reading and writing as you grew up. And they can be anything from favorite books, assignments, reading the back of cereal boxes when you were little, anything. And so you're going to write those down or on the map, and you're going to save it as a PDF and upload it here. Okay. And then let's see what is next. This is just a little page where you can ask any kind of questions that you have. And this is open for everyone, so everyone will be able to see your questions. It's a discussion board. And I encourage you to answer one another's questions. Okay, but I will be checking this periodically and seeing if there's anything there that I need to answer or address. Other than that, have a really great week. And I'm looking forward to working with you all. Bye-bye.